said, this is the video you wanted. Okay. So you see this? I got it from this. Let's grab this. I got this from here. Place this back in. No. Oh, help! I can't get it out. No, guys, I need it. When I do that, okay, I got it out. So, take this out. Let me plop this back in. I dropped it. I'm falling now. Where is it? Now, it's a detective video. Tonight, that's the question. Will we find it tonight? That's the question. Okay, let's not make that sound. Not seeing anything. I don't see anything. Wait, what's under there? Nothing's under there. Where is it? Is it under there? No. I think we lost it. Forever. It ever. See if you guys can fight. Guys, alert, we just found it. Okay, guys, so we found it. So you see this? This was inside. Then this one inside, keeping it down. And when you keep it down, let me grab it. Wait, did it come out? Okay. I think I broke it. Guys, it's official. I broke the marker. Guys. Guys, I broke the marker. It's a great. I broke the marker. Okay, let's stop. So, anyways, how to make a whiteboard marker. Just do it. You do this, you screw it out. I can't really screw it out, but you're gonna screw it out. Try your best, like, take it out, like, keep on going like that. If I have war, yes, I have war. Took it out with my tweezers, see? But then I have this that I shrunk. So, this is so hard to get this out. Well, right now, as you can see, I'm trying to get that out up there. So, tell me if I'm doing anything right. Should we cut this off, right? I feel like I can cut this off. I want to cut this off. The crack. Cut the crack off. That means I'm strong since I broke this. I'm the strong one. Okay, it looks like I destroyed a marker. Ready? Ow. I'm back. Well, it looks like we're never going to be able to get that thing out. Or will we? I need to drop something in there. I can't get it. You get out. Go up. Wait, I can see by shifting this over. Shift, come on. Shift, come on. What can I do with you? The pen is not even up there. You keep on blocking the way, let me think. I'm sorry, unicorn, you're not ugly. It's just I'm mad right now. I'm looking inside, guys, and I'm poking it. Yep, I'm touching it. I'm touching it, guys. I'm touching it. See? This is official now. I was touching it. I just took some ink out of it. Let's try this again. Oh wait, I'm touching it again, I think I'm touching it. Okay, we have that there. I'm trying to take it out. Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow. Okay. So we got more ink out of this. Okay, I don't care. I just need to get this thing out. Well, that was a video of how to take this out. Let's try a different one. There you guys are. Let's go to more stretch. Ow, that hurts. Oh. Guys, don't ever try this at home. Do it with a parent, please. Because look, this has happened. The scissors went flying everywhere. And I don't want you to get poked. But this is a video. Let your parents help you with this. Hi, I'm not doing with anything. And if you don't listen, well, it's not my fault. You did it without a prayer. So, yeah. A reminder. Sorry I told you that this time, but yeah. Wait, I don't have to tell you at this time. Oops. Because I already did tell you. Oops, I forgot. My poor finger. Guys, I think we should be done for today. Because I've been... My poor finger. That's why. Can I take at least something else now? Like this. Get you out. Look. Keep on cutting. I got it out! I got it out. I got it out. Oh, I got it out. I got it out. Stop it! Oh, what just happened? That's probably nothing. Ah. So, this is what I took out. This is art. This is destroyed. Destroyed that story. Destroyed! Hey guys, let's continue. Got orange and I just started cutting it and came off. Guys, you might want to take a look at the floor. Let me show you. Red red color? I don't think that's reds. That was not reds. Then where is reds? Let me grab it. Oh. Look. Oh, I see it. Oh, that's a good exercise. Not a good exercise. Who said that? I'm joking, we don't have to be a ninja. Now, let's